सहुवेदी जाण साही शास्त्री कारण, 18 ही पुराणे हरिसी गाती, 18 ही पुराणे हरिसी गाती, 18 ही पुराणे हरिसी गाती. मंथुनी नवनीता तैसे घेयनता, वाया व्यर्थ कथा सांडी मार्ग, वाया व्यर्थ कथा सांडी मार्ग, वाया व्यर्थ कथा सांडी मार्ग. एक हरी आत्म जीव शिव समा, वाया दुर्गमान धारी मन, वाया तू दुर्गमान घाली मन, वाया तू दुर्गमान घाली मन. ज्ञानदेवा पाठ हरी हा वैकुंठ, ज्ञानदेवा पाठ हरी हा वैकुंठ, ज्ञानदेवा पाठ हरी हा वैकुंठ. भरला घन दाट हरी दिसे, भरला घन दाट हरी दिसे, भरला घन दाट हरी दिसे.
हरी मुखे भरा, 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 हरी मुखे भरा. पुण्याची गणना कोण करी, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी.
In the first stanza, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that the greatness of this God and his name is sung by the 4 Vedas, 6 Shastras and 18 Puranas. All these scriptures describe only one Sri Hari, emphasizing the importance of Sri Hari and Sri Hari Nama. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj further says, just as churning of buttermilk yields butter, similarly, churning the infinite Brahman yields the essence of Sri Hari. Therefore, one should not waste time on unnecessary efforts or listen to other stories or paths, but instead focus on the path of Sri Hari Nam to achieve the goal. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that Sri Hari is the supreme soul, the unity of Jiva and Shiva, the harmony of Prakriti and Purusha, and the ultimate Brahman. Hence, one should not get entangled in complicated discussions, misconceptions, or futile philosophical debates, but instead worship Sri Hari alone. In the final stanza, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that Sri Hari is Vaikuntha and he is omnipresent in Vaikuntha. He is present everywhere in the universe, in every particle and in every atom. The experience of his omnipresence is obtained by repeating his name. Hence, keep saying Sri Hari with your mouth and do not worry about the calculation of merits. And therefore, chant always Hari Mukhe Mhana, Hari Mukhe Mhana, Punyachi Gadana Kona Kari.
हरी मुखे